Hello, my name is Valery Adamez, and I am going to talk about the crime. So, in the crime, the point is that the only 69% of a criminal case, it is a orange is spent in the court that it is all criminal cases start in a magistrate court, and the vast majority will in a up there. It is a so small number will be referring to a higher court. So I am usually the crown court. The magistrate or crown court, I think that our criminal cases begin in the magistrate court. It is depending on the seriousness of the offense that the case will take place in the magistrate court from start to finish, or it will be transferred from magistrate court to a higher court or usually the crown court. That it is at those cases that go ahead are said to be effective. And more than half of all criminal court that the trials do not go ahead as planned, and it is a consuming court time. But other trials that do not take place and must be rescheduled are considered ineffective. This may be because the prosecution or defense are not ready to start their trial, and or the defendant does not follow instructions. So, and there are three types that the England and the world we cover between them: elegant disputes from defendant accused of crimes, consumers in the children, and risks of harm business involved in commercial disputes of individuals asserting their employment right. The three types, it is a criminal court, the civil court, and the family court. And the percentage, the likelihood of trial going ahead, it is high. So it's very high that it is more that the cases is magistrate court cases is to some offenses. Such a driving of a public order pronunciations are dealt with only by magistrate court. To around 1.5 million to 2 million criminal cases go to a trial in the magistrate's court every year. That years are known as summary offense. I don't know if 400 cases are also referred to the Crown Court because the punishment the magistrate court believes the defendant deserves more that it can impose. And in the serious case are more serious crimes, such as a murder, robbery, or rape, can only be dealt within the Crown Court, which can help down harder sentences. A number of offenses, including certain drug offenses and serious frank offenses, can be tried by the magistrates court or big Crown Court. These are termed any offense drugs. That the civil cases does not relating to family disputes on the committing of a crime that are usually dealt with on the country court, sometimes called the small claims court. So I am see that in the graphic that is two graphics different that the magistrate court and the crown court. That is that three topics that effective and cracked and ineffective. That the percent it is more, that the crown court is more than the magistrate court. That I like see that the likelihood of trial going ahead. So, and the types of cases, it is different. That There are two main types. That is small crimes hearings is usually where the value being disputed is less than €5. That the other is a trials that is usually where the value being disputed is greater than €5. So there is a particularly important complex of substantive cases are instead that dealt with is a higher court. That cases relating to a failure to pay council tax and child maintenance are dealt with a magistrate's court. And I think that the great proceeding it is that there will often involve a number of different court hearings, and at the final hearing the judge of the magistrate will take an order which will decide who should look and after the child from the points offered. So that the social service department of a local authority believes that the child who lives in the area suffers from abuse or neglect by the parents, and they can bring a case of family court to protect the child and ensure they get the care they need. And these court cases are called care proceeding cases or public law cases.